Sugino Direct Service is the maintenance service provider of the Sugino Machine Group. We offer application services for Sugino machine products such as high-pressure pumps, high-pressure washing machines, drilling units, and machining centers. We are a team of professional engineers. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. We make the most of our technical capabilities, accumulated know-how, and strong network with Sugino Machine. We keep in mind our motto, Sincerity, Conscientiousness, Rapidity, to gain further trust as a total maintenance service provider. However, nothing is perfect, and sometimes problems could occur if our products fail. Sugino Direct Service provides preventative maintenance and regular inspections to avoid problems. We examine the accuracy and function of all sorts of machinery and adjust them as well as diagnose malfunction. For stable operation, we also offer maintenance and service contracts. If your machine fails, the expert solutions we quickly offer will save you time and cost. Sometimes on-site repair, sometimes telephone advice. When you need spare parts or repair parts, we will deliver them as soon as possible. Kosei, a steel machining company, introduced an abrasive jet cutter from Sugino Machine. Our services support Kosei to ensure the machine stays functioning stably.
やっぱり早いですよね。仕事も丁寧ですし、綺麗ですし。やっぱり大きいですね。内部のところは全然わからないんで、やっぱりプロの方が来ていただけると、しっかり治ったなと安心して作業できるんで。
プレッシャーはありますね。役に立ちたいっていう思いは強くあります。早い作業も大事だと思うんですが、一番にやっぱり正確で安全な作業っていうのを心がけてやっています。
If you're thinking to change machine specifications, leave it to us. To meet your needs, we flexibly change the design of equipment, including robot and electric systems. In addition, we propose an optimal renovation plan to improve productivity.
どれだけ、お客さんの要望を満足させられるかっていうことが設計のクオリティだと思っていますので、それをいかに満たせるかということを納期の中で、確実にクオリティを上げていくということが大事だと思っています。
We pursue the best performance of our machines. Based on 5 service centers in Japan, Sugino Direct Service provides maintenance services that keep up our machines' good performance. Sugino's domestic and international network enables us to deliver conscientious services promptly to our customers all over the world.